show you how to make a simple sushi roll at home. A sushi needs rice. The rice we are using is nishiki rice. You have to cook the rice first and then add vinegar when the rice is hot. To make the sushi roll, you will need seaweed, rice, crab meat, cucumbers, yellow pickles, and also flossy meat. Now we need to wash our hands. And then we put on the gloves. Make sure your hands are dry or else you will struggle like me. Because of COVID-19, we also need to wash the gloved hands too. First, we need to take the seaweed out. And then we need to put the rice on. Now we need to put all the ingredients onto the sushi. First, cucumbers. Now, crab meat. Now, yellow pickles. And finally, flossy meat. The seaweed is straight. Now we are going to roll it. Now we need to put it together. Yeah. Now let's open it. There we go. Because I'm too slow, my mom helped me. Now we need to cut it. Because knives are too dangerous, so my mommy's gonna help me.